Hello everyone. 2020 was a particularly difficult year for the professional industry. As we all know, all salons worldwide gradually closed. In this context, L'Oréal Professional Products Division nevertheless confirmed its leadership thanks to the fantastic mobilization and agility of the teams. We implemented a solidarity plan to provide hairdressers with both financial and human support, and this has strengthened our ties with the industry like never before. As a result, if this crisis affected us in the short term, it has reinforced us fundamentally for the long term. It has enabled us to accelerate the trends that we had anticipated: the digitalization of salons, e-commerce, and the rise of independent stylists. It has also revealed how essential the hairstyling profession is for people. In 2020, the division made historical market share gains in all geographies, thanks in particular to the significant return to growth in the second half. We are stronger than ever because our transformation strategy that we initiated over 3 years ago has enabled us to seize all market opportunities and become truly omnichannel. Thanks to the digitalization of two of the division's key drivers, order taking and education with L'Oréal Partner Shop and L'Oréal Access, today we are even more connected with our customers and more accessible. In just 1 year, we were able to accelerate so fast that our e-learning platform L'Oréal Access, which was available in 17 countries, has now been rolled out in 85. We have also trained 2.5 million hairdressers in only 2 months during lockdown. We massively accelerated our online sales to professionals and consumers. And we created a new social commerce with hairdressers at the center, allowing them to sell directly online to consumers. Our e-commerce has doubled since last year and now represents 20% of total sales. Within this new ecosystem, our brands have adapted and demonstrated their unique attractiveness. The best example is Kérastase, showing its innovation leadership and professional execution through all channels. With its successful launches in 2020, particularly Genesis, the first range dedicated to hair loss and hair beauty, and Blond Absolu at Kérastase, and at L'Oréal Professionnel, with the success of SteamPod, the division proved again its spirit of conquest. In 2021, we will also lead the innovation agenda. Innovation in our formulas. We filed 9 patents around the new Metal Detox by L'Oréal Professionnel. Innovation in our packaging. Redken Lightener will be made available as individual pods, leaving no waste as they dissolve. Innovation in inclusion and diversity with Curl Manifesto by Kérastase, which responds to the strong demand amongst women to express their natural beauty. Closer than ever to hairstylists, we will go even further by answering consumers' high expectations in terms of sustainability, particularly by mobilizing all our hairstylists with the rollout of our worldwide program, Salons for the Future by L'Oréal, in line with the L'Oréal for the Future objectives. And we will continue to highlight the profession through the development of the Bachelor Hairdressing and Entrepreneurship at Réel Campus by L'Oréal in Paris, which has already become international thanks to a twinning degree program with the Arizona State University in the United States. Through these initiatives and its commitment to all stakeholders, first and foremost our hairdressers, L'Oréal is reinforcing its positive leadership within the industry and fully accelerating into the future. It's now a pleasure to introduce you to Guozhan Zhou, currently in China. Zhou is an amazing hairstylist in Shanghai. Together, we are going to have a chat about our partnership, which I'm particularly proud of. Hi, Joe.
你好 ，Natalie。
Joe, you have been one of our partners since 2018, and I very much appreciate our collaboration. I know that it has been a tough year for everyone in the hairdressing sector. What has been your experience as a hairdresser in China?
的确，2020年对于我们来说呢是非常艰难的一年。那在这一年里呢，我们也遇到了很多的一些困境，当然我们也找到了很好的一些解决方案。我们在2020年呢，把格兰汉斯的整个品牌呢做了一下升级。那么在这段时间里呢，对于我们来说呢，我觉得也是一种考验。当然，我们也觉得不是孤军奋战，非常感谢 L'Oréal Pro 在这段时间给予我们的一些帮助。那么在隔离的期间呢，我个人觉得 L'Oréal Pro 在阿3平台提供了各种线上的学习和课程，帮助到了美业人的成长。由此我感到非常的荣幸，非常的感谢。
Indeed. For over a century, L'Oréal has been committed to hairdressers, and in 2020, we were closer than ever. Since the beginning of the crisis, L'Oréal has deployed a solidarity plan specific to hairstylists. L'Oréal has given all salons and independent stylists worldwide the opportunity to freeze payment. Also, L'Oréal has accompanied the profession by participating in the elaboration of sanitary protocols in salons. During the reopening, L'Oréal provided hand sanitizers and protective masks. All these actions contributed to help hairdressers to reopen their salons and to welcome their clients in the safest conditions. 66% of consumers went back to their hairdressers the first week after the reopening. And it's true everywhere, in France, in Germany, in the United States, and I know the rush was the same in China. 90% of consumers and stylists declare being satisfied with L'Oréal's supportive actions during the crisis.
的确，在此期间呢，我非常感谢 L'Oréal Pro 提出的安心染的服务，那么的确更加有效地帮助到了沙龙，得到了更好的安心和体验感。那么在此呢，我觉得 L'Oréal Pro 和我们之间的紧密合作，在未来我觉得可以不断的突破，帮助到美业人共同成长。
Thank you, Joe. I'm delighted and want to thank you most sincerely for being such a precious partner.
非常感谢 Natalie，十分的荣幸。